Ka Voice of the People's Party nekasngi kalakentui katanat kampo yang ke Sorkar Jilla lingbau sembut Menteri Rangba obak Prestun Tinsong Bandawa bade bandum Jingkheiñ ye ke Jingwan kibri Manipur banwan Phet Rieh Meghalaya Naka ke Jingkulmar hakatei ke Jilla. Habakran kilap thai khobor General Secretary ka VPP Dr. Rieh AJ Singkon ulai thuru baka parti ka Dawa ru baka Sorkar kan pentik kenaru bagi te kibri kan lek phai byang shika Jilla jangki endala kut ka kendrum kenram.
Submitted to the Home Minister. What is it about?
Yes, actually from the party, we were very concerned with what is going on in Manipur, and especially when we came to know that a good number of refugees have come to our state from Manipur. So we sent a letter to the Home Minister requesting him that proper records of all these refugees who have come to our state to be maintained, so that once the situation in Manipur becomes congenial and hopefully peaceful, so that these people should return to the state where they came from. And we would like to put record, and we appreciate the effort taken by the government to, on humanitarian ground, to allow our fellow beings who have been affected by this situation in Manipur. And so, but at the same time, we thought it would be in the interests of our state, interests of our people, that these refugees who have come to our states to return once normalcy is restored in Manipur. So that's all the letter that we have from the side of the party.
So that means, according to the party, the government till date is yet to maintain the records of these refugees that have come from Manipur?
Well, that's what, just in case it has not done so, so we thought that it's good to take the initiative from our side so that the government will do the needful in this matter. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.